In this video, we'll delve into the concepts of population covariance and sample covariance using Excel. These statistical measures are crucial in understanding the relationship between two sets of data. Let's start by understanding the difference between population covariance and sample covariance. Population covariance, calculated using the COVARIANCE.P function in Excel, assumes that your data represents the entire population you're interested in. On the other hand, sample covariance, calculated using the COVARIANCE.S function, assumes that your data represents a sample from a larger population. Now, let's take a look at some sample data to better understand these concepts. Here, we have data on the heights and weights of 10 students. For population covariance, we use the formula type equal to type covariance.p, bracket open. Select height range, comma. Select weight range, bracket close. Press enter key. And for sample covariance, it's type equal to type covariance.s, bracket open. Select height range, comma. Select weight range, bracket close. Press enter key. After applying these formulas to our data, we get the following results. Population covariance, 76.15. Sample covariance, 84.6111. These values represent the covariance between height and weight for our given data set. Recap: population covariance gives us an estimate of the covariance for the entire population, while sample covariance is based on a subset of the population, making it more suitable for samples. Understanding these concepts is essential for analyzing relationships between variables and making informed decisions based on data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on statistical analysis and Excel tips. Thanks for watching.